Hey, my friends, I want to give you a quick update on our new videos that we have for you inside of Essence of Belly Dance online. So you will find them in each and every class, and there are two sets of warm-ups and two sets of cool-down. So you have joint and cardio warm-ups for videos in total, and then two new cool-down videos. So you will find them in all the classes. They will change every week with every new set of classes. You have starter, basic, and medium in 15, 30, and 60 minutes each. And then when you go to the skill tree, you will also find the new warm-ups in the skill tree here and here and here. And also when you go to module 1, so this is the skill tree for the people who maybe haven't been inside of Essence of Belly Dance yet. So you have all the videos for each and every move, and you can rate yourself with stars. For every move, you have the explanation video, and you have also the drill video. And this is module 1, where you can go through an entire module of 8 weeks and you master everything that we need for module 1 of the Essence of Belly Dance teacher training. So that's basically the beginning of our teacher training education. But you can also do this for yourself. So you can start here if you want. This is already in week 8. So let's go to week 1. And then here at the end, you have all the warm-ups, cardio and joint, and then also the cool down listed. Then you can click on them each individually and you can basically also learn them. So when you're a teacher. And yes, so that's it. I'm excited to see you inside.